Recently, iPhone users have reported that their device is not charging, especially on the latest iPhone 14 and 15 models. In this video, I will provide some simple steps to fix the iPhone not charging. Way 1. Force restart the iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button and release until you see the Apple logo. Way 2. Update iOS to the latest version. Access the Settings app. Tap General. Tap on Software Update to proceed. Click on Download and Install button. Tap on Install Now option. Way 3. Repair iOS with a third-party tool. Go to the iSendShare official website to download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Then launch the software. Select System Repair option. Select the Standard option. Click Start button to continue. Connect your iPhone to the computer. If your device cannot be detected, you need to put your device into recovery mode. The software will automatically recognize your device model. Click Download button to get the firmware package. Note: the device's iOS will be upgraded to the latest version. Click the Repair button to start fixing. The device will be repaired successfully in a while. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.